Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to use Cloudflare with Porkbun domain. So step number 1, add your domain to Cloudflare. Log into your Cloudflare account, add your domain name to Cloudflare account. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the process of adding your site. Step number 2, find your Cloudflare name servers. After adding your domain to Cloudflare, you'll be prompted to update your name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with a specific pair of name servers that you will need to use. Step number 3, update name servers at Porkbun. Log into your Porkbun account and go to the domain management section. Find the domain you are configuring. Click on the NS button for your domain. Replace the existing name servers with the two name servers provided by Cloudflare and save your changes. Step number 4, wait for the propagation and configure DNS in Cloudflare. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to propagate across the internet. Once the name servers have updated, you can go back to Cloudflare and confirm the change. You can now manage all your DNS records, such as A, quadruple A, or CNAME records, within your Cloudflare dashboard. You will need to add records pointing to your web host. That's it. Thanks for watching.